In this video, we will see how to service the large bearings in the Stage's SB20 Flywheel. You'll need some advanced skills. I rate the difficulty 9 out of 10. Okay, let's get started. Please watch carefully. Previously, we removed the lock nuts and cogs, the flange and cap nuts, and then the axle and bearings. Make sure you've done this work before continuing in this video. Today, we will remove the flywheel nut, pull the stator out of the flywheel shell, and then service the large flywheel bearings. Stages suggest removing the flywheel cover before removing the flywheel nut. I don't like this option because it exposes the stator coils to potential damage. The flywheel spins when you try to remove the flywheel nut. Stages suggest you get somebody to help hold it. No one in my family likes holding things, so I built a clamp from a $5 2x4 piece of lumber. Okay, let's remove the flywheel nut. Using the clamp, we insert the flywheel and tighten things up. I recommend using a 55mm socket and get ready to apply a fair amount of torque. Then unscrew the flywheel nut. Remove the 6 bolts on the flywheel cover. Move the 2 wires out of the way and lift the cover off. Cover the wires once again. Firmly attach a pair of locking pliers on the fins as shown and lift the stator out of the flywheel. You will see 2 bearings separated by a metal spacer. You can now force grease into the inner ring of the bearing. Clean up the excess grease when you're done. Flip the assembly over and add tape to protect the optical sensor as shown. Like before, you can force grease into the inner ring of the bearing and then clean up when you are finished. You can now clean the edges of the electromagnet and clean the inside of the flywheel shell. If you need to replace the optical sensor, now's the time to do it. Alright, let's put things back together. Use your locking pliers to reinsert the stator into the flywheel shell. Make sure everything spins smoothly. Remove the tape and replace the flywheel cover. Take care to position the wires as shown. Refasten the 6 3mm hex bolts. A little more tape and then the flywheel nut. Using the 55mm socket, tighten to at least 30 Newton meters. That's it. Flywheel bearing service is now complete. Finish the assembly by following the links in the description and comments below. And don't forget to check out my blog for more details along with other tips and tricks.